Hello and welcome in next class of class 4, chapter 6, factors and multiples and factors, exercise 6b. Today we do here. Remember here 1 is a factor of all number and itself. In order to find out all the factor of a number, find out the divisor which the number gets exactly divided beside 1 and the number itself. In order to find out the all factor of a number, find out the divisor first and which the number gets exactly divided besides 1 and the number itself. Okay. So 1 is a properties of factor. Just see, 1 is a factor of every number. Yes. Any number is a factor of itself. Okay. It's yes. Every factor of a number is either less than or equal to the given number. या तो factor less than होगा number से या तो उसके equal होगा, not a greater than to the number. Okay. Move to the exercise 6b. Here, can a factor of the number be greater than the number? Can a factor of the number be greater than the number? No, because here see the third property as the factor only equal or to the less of the number. So this is wrong. To check if a number is factor of the other, we divide or multiply. To check if a number is factor of other, we divide. And if we find 0 as remainder, then this is the factor of the number. The number of a factor of a number is unlimited or limited. The number of factors of a number is limited. Okay. Limited factors होते हैं, but multiples are अनलिमिटेड. जो मल्टीपल्स होते हैं नंबर के वो अनलिमिटेड होते हैं. जितना भी हम उसमें नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई करते जाएंगे वो नंबर उतने उसके मल्टीपल्स हमें मिलते जाएंगे. ठीक है. बट द फैक्टर्स आर लिमिटेड. 1 इज फैक्टर और मल्टीपल ऑफ एवरी नंबर. 1 इज फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर. Okay. 7 into 8, 56, 7 and 8 are that of 56, 7 and 8, because 7 and 8 of product of 7 and 8 we get 56. So 7 and 8 are factors, not a multiples. And 56 is the multiple of 7 and 8. 9 into 3, 27. So what are factor of that? Here 9 and 3 are factor of 27. Here missing terms are factor of 20. Only 1 in second place given. Factor of 20. First smallest factor is 1, 2. Then after 4. Then after 5. 4 5 is 20 na? 4 5 10 and 20, the number also. Which is a factor of every number? 1. The greatest factor of a number is the number itself. Number itself. Okay. When a number is divided by its factor, there is no remainder left. Remainder found 0 when the number is fully divided by its factor. Circle the number in which the first number is a factor of second. तो सर्कल करना है उस नंबर को जिसमें फर्स्ट नंबर सेकंड का फैक्टर है. मतलब फर्स्ट नंबर इज द फैक्टर ऑफ सेकंड एंड सेकंड इज द मल्टीपल ऑफ फर्स्ट. सो 4 9 is 36. So 4 can divide the 36 and 4 is lesser than to the here. So 4 9 is 36. So that it's the correct. Okay. 7 cannot divide to 40. So this is not the factor of 40. 9 can't divide it to 71. So this is also not the factor of 71. 8 can divide 8 times. 8 8 ja 64. Circle the number that have 3 as a factor. Which of the following numbers among that carrying a factor as 3? 1 or the circle the number that have 3 as a factor na. सो 1 का फैक्टर तो 1 ही होता है ओनली. यहाँ पे 3 का फैक्टर हमारा 3 होगा. दैट इज द लार्जेस्ट फैक्टर ऑफ 3. 8 neither carries 3 as a factor, but 12 carries because 3 can divide 12. Just check the which number can be divided by 3. Okay, so 3 and here 6 3 ja 18 na, so this is the factor of 18. 7 3 ja 21. 21 is the also multiple of 3. Here not. Here 8 3 ja 24 is also the factor of 24 and also the factor of 30. 9 is a factor of which of these number? 9 is the factor of which of these number? Just check the which of these number is fully divided by 9. That is 18. Then after not 22, not 27. 9 3 ja 27. Not 35. 36. 9 4 ja 36. 9 7 ja 63. List out the factors of 36, 45, 27, 63, 72 here. Here are the various types of numbers. First, even number. What is even number? A whole number which is exactly divisible by 2, that are called even number. Whole number that exactly divisible by 2 and remainder gets as 0, that are called even number. For the even number identification, just understand the ones place having digits, a number having digits on ones place as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now next. Now second, odd numbers. How to identify odd numbers? Which are odd numbers? How could we understand that? Just a whole number which is not exactly by 2, divisible by 2. Suppose as an even number which is wholly and fully divisible by 2, and opposite to that even number, whole number that is not exactly divisible by 2, that all are called odd number. Okay. Suppose as example here 3. Always the odd number is alternately comes after even number, such as 2 is even number, 3 odd, 4 even, 5 odd, 6 even, 7 odd, 8 even, 9 odd, 10 even, 11 odd. ऐसे alternately आता है. Okay, so 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and more. Okay. Next, third, prime numbers. Prime numbers. What are prime numbers? A number which have only 2 factors. What does the mean of factors? Factors क्या है? The factors is that which is fully divisible to the another number. Just suppose if I write here 4. So 4 is fully divisible by 1, 2, and also with itself as. So 1, 2, 4, that are the factors of 4. 1, 2, 4, that are the factors of 4. So prime numbers only having 2 factors, just like as example 7. Factor of 7 is 1 and the number itself. In 7 and 1, 5 having factors as 1 and 5, because 1 is the common factor of all numbers, and also the all numbers carry the factor as number itself. Suppose 7 is divisible by 7 also, 5 divisible by 5 also, 4 divisible by 4 also. Okay, and the greatest factor of any number is that number itself. Okay, so here is the prime number. Suppose example here I give just 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 30, 19, 23, these are, and more from after that. Here, now fourth, composite number. What are composite number? Numbers having more than 2 factors. That numbers having more than 2 factors. Only 2 factors having, that number called prime numbers. More than 2 factors having, that number are called composite number. So composite, देखिए opposite relate कीजिए. Even odd को opposite, divisible by 2, even number, not divisible by 2, odd number. Having 2 factors, prime number. More than 2 factors, composite number. Okay, बस ये टर्म याद रखिए और आपका बहुत इजी हो जाएगा कोई भी फैक्टर और कोई भी क्वेश्चन को लर्न करना. हमें मेन पॉइंट पर बस इसे फोकस करना है. ठीक है, कंपोजिट नंबर मोर देन 2 factors. Okay, so more than 2 factors are just like as example, you know, I give 4 that are 3 factors carry 6, 8, 9, 10 and etc. Okay, move to the next. Next, prime factorization. It's finding all the prime numbers which multiply to make original number. So prime factorization is help us to finding all the prime numbers. इसमें जो भी factors होते हैं वो prime numbers होंगे and which multiply to make original number. And after multiplying to those prime number, we get the original number. Such as example, I take as 36. Okay, 36 as example I take and divide it in 2 numbers multiplication. Suppose 4 and 9. 4 and 9. How could I divide in 4 and 9? 4 9 ja 36. So 4 and 9 is the factors of 36. Now for the distribution in prime numbers, distribute to the 4 as 2 into 2. 2 is the prime number now. Now 9 is distributed in 2 parts also as prime number, 3 into 3 1. Okay. Now these are the prime factors of 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. This is the tree method, and also you can do with this method as suppose here I show you. Next time 36, divide 36 by the least number which you could divisible, here 2, divide exactly by 18. 18 to 36, 18 is the quotient right below it. Now divide 8 2 and you get the quotient 9. Now 9 is odd number, so it can't divisible by 2 and it divisible by 3, so divide by 3 and you get quotient 3. Now 3 is divisible fully by 3 and you get 1 as a quotient. Now stop the factorization here. Now write the whole factors which are written here. 2 into 3 into 3. These are the factor and second type of prime factorization. Okay, just see the page number 73 in your book. That's right. Remember, prime factorization is very important for making or breaking secret codes based on numbers. So prime factorization is very important for making और ब्रेकिंग सीक्रेट कोड्स. जो भी ये सीक्रेट कोड्स होते हैं उनको ब्रेक करने में हेल्प करता है क्या? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. एवरी कंपोजिट नंबर कैन बी रिटन एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स प्राइम नंबर. होल और 36 क्या है? 36 कैरी मोर देन 2 नंबर एज अ फैक्टर ना. सो दिस 36 इज कंपोजिट नंबर. सो कंपोजिट नंबर ये है एंड इट्स अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर. और ये किसका प्रोडक्ट है? किसका मल्टीप्लीकेशन है? किस तरह के वैल्यूज का? प्राइम नंबर्स की प्रोडक्ट है. ठीक है. तो प्राइम नंबर कुड बी कंसिडर्ड एज द बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ ऑल नंबर. So prime numbers considered as the basic building blocks. These are the basic building blocks of prime numbers, all numbers, prime factors for any number is unique. No two numbers can have the same prime factors. Okay, so कोई भी ऐसा नंबर नहीं है जो कि दोनों, suppose I say get a point factors of prime factorization of 4 and 6. The factors of 4 is 2 and 2. Okay, and factors of 6 is 2 into 3. As it is, you can just understand with that two numbers doesn't carry same factors, because same factors तो हो नहीं सकते, क्योंकि हमारा अगर 2 into 2 अगर factors है तो वो हमारा क्या होगा, प्रोडक्ट हमारा 4 ही होगा, 6 तो होगा नहीं. ठीक है, तो डिफरेंट factors होते हैं डिफरेंट. So here co-prime numbers, two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. Co-prime numbers need not be prime numbers. तो co-prime numbers में ऐसी कोई need नहीं है कि उनके वो numbers prime numbers ही हो. As a here do not have a common factor other than 1. बस यहाँ पे क्या compulsory होना चाहिए कि जो दो numbers होंगे जिनका co-prime check करना होगा, उनके factors common factors 1 से अधिक नहीं होनी चाहिए. Suppose because just take a one number as prime numbers and one as even. Here 7 and 10, and 7 के factors क्या है, 1 and 7, and 10 factors 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay, so common factor between 7 and 10 is only 1. So this is the co-prime number. 15 and 70 also have a common factor as 1, and other factors are different from each other. So 15 and 17 are co-prime numbers. ठीक है, तो 15 and 17 में बस एक 1 ही है जो कि कॉमन है दोनों के बीच में फैक्टर्स, अदर देन यहाँ पे 15 का हमारा फैक्टर 3 होता है जो कि 17 में नहीं होता है. 17 का तो बस 17 होगा या 1 होगा, और 15 का 1 है, 3 है, 5 एंड 15 है. ठीक है, 17 तो यहाँ पे कहीं आएगा नहीं, तो 1 ही हमारा कॉमन फैक्टर है. सो को प्राइम नंबर्स इज ऑलवेज हैव अ फैक्टर अदर देन 1, कॉमन फैक्टर अदर देन 1. ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स, टू प्राइम नंबर्स, ठीक है, डू नॉट हैव और कॉमन फैक्टर देन, यहाँ पे हमेशा 1 हमारा फैक्टर होना चाहिए, 1 से अधिक कोई दूसरा फैक्टर अगर होगा तो वो को प्राइम नंबर नहीं होगा. ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स डिफरेंट, टू आर कॉल्ड ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स. डिफरेंस इज 2. यहाँ पे जो दो नंबर्स होंगे उनके बीच का डिफरेंस कितना क्या होना चाहिए, 2, ओनली 2. एज अ 3 and 5, 17 and 19, 41, 43, in this whole number are difference is equal to 2. 19 minus 17, 2. 43 minus 41, 2. 31 minus 29, 2. Okay, so these are the twin prime numbers, and just see the whole, these numbers are prime numbers. Okay, there's 3, 5, 17, 19. Just you can't take any number as such like 4 and 6. 4 and 6 के बीच में डिफरेंस हमारा क्या है, 2 ही है, लेकिन 4 and 6 क्या है, 4 and 6 हमारा इवन नंबर है, प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. सो ओनली प्राइम नंबर्स दैट difference between them are 2, that are called twin prime.